Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'd like to show you how you can fit a wire wheel onto your bench grinder. So before you buy a wire wheel, take note of the wheel diameter and the bore diameter. These are the two things that you'll need to know, and make sure to wear goggles and gloves too. So the first type I'm going to talk about is the one that comes with bore reduction rings. These are great if you're not sure what bore size you have, or you just can't find a wheel that fits your bore size. These ones come with a selection of different sizes. These rings click into the center of the wheel. All you need to do is find out which one fits your the shaft on your grinder, and there's two of each, so these can then be removed. And then one on either side can be pushed into the center. Now the flanged washer can be added. Just take note of how these come off, make sure to put them back on in the same order, followed by the wire wheel. And then the other flanged washer. And finally the nut. This can all be tightened up with a spanner. And then pinched tight on either side. And then the covers can be reattached. And the other type of wire wheel is one that is made to fit your grinder. So mine happens to be a 12.7mm bore, and they're 6 inches in diameter on both sides of the wheels. And again, I can start to add the flanged washers. Also take note of the RPM that the wheel is rated for, and the RPM of your grinder. That's also important to note. And again, this can just be tightened up with a spanner. And as you can see, everything is running nice and smoothly. A couple of the wires stick out on the sides, but with time these will wear smooth. Now I could just have a little go at buffing up a few tools. Okay, so that is about it for this video. A nice quick and simple video on how to fit a wire wheel onto your bench grinder. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.